welcome back to the Slime Lab. So today I am doing my Slime Bash vlog. Before we start, I'd just like to apologize that I filmed it like this. I thought I was filming like this. I don't know why I did that. And if you want to see pictures of me with the Slimers, then go to my Instagram, the Slime Lab store. There will be a bunch of pictures like that. And I really hope that you guys enjoyed it if you went. It was so much fun for me. And let me know down below if you want me to do a haul video or separate reviews for the slimes. I did show some of them at the end of the video. But yeah, guys. Also, I will be attending Slime Bash 2. I am so excited. I am hoping to be able to go to Slimer's Alley. I know there will be a lot more tables there. So hopefully I'll be able to sell next time. And yeah, I'm so excited. This was so much fun, and let's get on to the vlog. So we just got inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And oh, is Parakeet over? I'm so excited. Rachel! Oh my gosh, can I get a picture? I just met Trina, and she said that she still has my slime. So I'm trading at slime here.
Hi guys, I'm Mango Slimes. I'm
Red Slimes.
Okay, and I traded a bunch of slimes, and I got a bunch of slimes. But yeah. So I'm here, and I'm in Slimer Alley. It's so much fun, and I just met one of my friends, Slime Melissy. I'm so happy, and I'll keep you updated later. I'm going live, so if you join that, comment down below that you talked to Bookshelf Slimes, and she said that she watched my channel before. Oh my god. I waited for the line to die down for Parakeet Slimes, but it's still dying down. I'm in line for her, but her line is so long, and yeah. So now I'm going to do a little bit of a voiceover. So here we have Minty Slime doing a butter slime demo.
I'm Pretty Slimes.
I just got pictures with like so many people. I'm so excited. This is the best day ever. So this is the Mattery Slime Glue store. And they have all the glue here, containers, shirts, all that. So, hi. Show all the booths because they're so nice. That's Avery Rain's booth. That's Slime du Jour. The Many Slimes. Parakeet Slimes.
Sure, $2.
There's Maddie Ray. Slime, slime cereal. Tail slime. Minty slime. Mermaid slime. Then some glitters in Slime Studio. Slime bun. And slime by Amy. Slime City Beat. You're done. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Rainbow Playmaker, Troll Slime, and Slimy Slime area. You can make like tons of different kinds. I'm from Canada.
Round of applause for Slime Bun.
Woo!
All right, we're going to open up the floor for some questions. Slime Bun, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm from Canada and Quebec.
So here is Parakeet Slime's Q&A.
Thank you for the question.
How long does it take to prepare
So it's like every week. So I like restock the week, and then the next week I prepare, and then I restock.
What is your favorite slime add-on?
I really like instant snow, but I also like.
Any tips for smaller slime shops?
I think just be unique. Don't just make a basic slime. Like, be yourself, be different.
So basically, now what they're doing is they are judging the Slimer Alley slimes, and so they're deciding a best in show out of like consistency Is it sticky? The texture, the smell. See if it's like worthy. And the winner becomes a VIP in Slime Bash 2. And the winner was Lava Slime. Thankful that I got to go to this event. I'm going to be opening slime that I got from my fans in the next clip. You guys are literally so amazing. You guys gave me a bunch of slimes at Slime Bash. Oh wait, this is mine. But I am so excited to open these, guys. So let's get on to them. So the first one is from Slanting Slime. And if you see these on me, this is Parakeet Slimes and Alpine Slimes. This is from Slanting Slimes. It's called Cranberry Juice. It smells just like red velvet. It smells so amazing. This is so thick, and this looks beautiful. Like, this is the most beautiful slime ever. Like, look at that. That's so amazing. So thick, so glossy. This is the thickest slime, like, ever. Like, I know I say that all the time, but, like, literally. This is so amazing. I definitely recommend checking out Slanting Slimes on Instagram. Next one is from Pup Slimes. It has a do not eat sticker on the side. I do not know what this is called, but I think that this is a butter slime. I think. So it sort of smells like chocolate frosting. It's like a butter slime. It's so stretchy and smooth. It has some fake sprinkles in it and is super thick and clicky. These next two slimes are from M&G Slimery. So this first one is in, like, I think it's a 2-ounce container. And it is a, like, clear-based slime with glitters and some fishbowl beads. I'm not sure if it's unscented. It kind of smells like glitter, if that's a thing, but it's super thick and it's super pretty. So yeah. So the next one from M&G Slimery does not have a name either, but it does look super nice. And is super thick and glossy and is a nice foam, like, it's a foam. It's super crunchy. And so yeah, guys, go check out M&G Slimes over on Insta. So the next one is from Cat's Craft Slime. So this one's from Cat's Craft. They have all the info right here. This is a cloud slime. I'm not sure what it's called. It does not say on the bottom of the jar, but it's super stretchy. Oh my gosh, this is so drizzly. This next one, this is the last gift that I received. I'm not sure who this is from. If you know who this is from, if you gave this to me, comment down below that you gave this to me. I don't even remember really who gave this to me because my friend was like, the Slime Lab. Yeah. So I don't know who gave this to me, but it's super thick and glossy. This is like one of my favorite slimes that I received at the bash. It's so thick and so glossy. So thank you guys for giving me all the gifts that I received. And thank you for trading with me if we did a trade. And if you did not see your slime here, if you traded with me, that means that, well, I still have them. I just, like, the video would be too long if I showed all of them. This was most of it. And one of them I did have to throw away because it spilled everywhere. But I still loved all the slimes that you guys gave me, and thank you for giving me them. Next, I'll be showing some slimes that I purchased and some slimes that were, like, given to me. So these two slimes are from Rainbow Plate Maker. I received them for free at the Slime Bash. This one is a cloud butter, and I'm not sure what this one is. It is self-inflated because I was just playing with it, but they're both amazing. I haven't played with this one yet though. So the first one that I'm going to do is this purple one. I'm not sure what the texture is, but it feels so smooth and like thick. It kind of has like, I don't know, like a clear base, but also a white glue base. It has a bunch of glitters in it. It's like a lilac purple. The smell is really soothing. I'm not sure what the actual scent is, but it just smells so amazing. It's so thick and so smooth and silky and stretchy. So if you do know what this is and she ever sells it on her shop, I would definitely recommend grabbing this one. So the next one is the cloud butter. I'm super excited to test this one out. I don't know what it smells like, but this glitter is so pretty. Ooh. I've never felt a cloud butter before. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. This is so sizzly, and the color is so pretty. I was so excited for this one. This is such a nice like cloud butter. It's kind of like a cloud dough, but it's still like super like drizzly. I love this. I don't know exactly who it was. I think it was Trina who told me that a cloud butter from Rainbow Maker was something to get. I thought they were sold out, but then when I went to say hi to her, I saw that she had one left. And she was like, just take it for free. And she's so nice. This is so sizzly, and she's known for her cloud butters, as I'm told by Trina. And I love the scent. It's like a sour scent. I don't know exactly what it smells like, but it's so nice. So this next one is from Flo Slimes. It's called 11, or that might just because, it might be called something else, I'm not sure. That might have just been written there because that was the price. So this slime comes with a waffle charm. It is a cloud slime. This is the only thing that I got from them because I saw them playing with the cloud slime testers and I was like, oh my gosh, I need one of those. So yeah, I decided to go ahead and grab one. So it's a super drizzly cloud slime. It smells like baked goods. I don't know the exact smell, just like everything else. It's just like really sweet, and it's such a drizzly cloud slime. And this has to be my favorite cloud slime that I got. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite slime. This is my first time purchasing from Flo Slimes, and I really wanted to try their slimes out. And it's also super sizzly. Okay guys, so the next slime is from Minty Slime. I was literally so excited when I found out they were coming to Slime Bash. I got mint chip gelato, and their packaging is so nice. So it has some of the Java chip chunks in it, and some white foam beads, and some black glitters, and it smells just like mint chip ice cream, and it's so thick and so glossy. And I definitely would recommend this slime to anyone who wants a Java chip slime because it's like one of the thickest slimes and my favorite Java chip slime that I've ever had. And yeah, guys. So the last slime that I'm going to show you guys today is from Slime by the Sea, my friend Caroline over on Instagram. This slime is called Oreo Milk, and I saw this on her store and I was like, I need to snag this. Like, oh my gosh, it smells just like Oreos. It's so thick and so glossy. It has black glitters to represent the little cookie Oreos in the milk. It's so thick, so glossy, and this is something that I definitely recommend. It's so thick and glossy, and I definitely recommend purchasing from her first restock on June 18th. I think that's when it is on. So yeah, go follow Caroline. She really deserves all the followers, and she is so amazing. So thank you guys for watching this Slime Bash vlog. If you enjoyed it, then go subscribe down below. Leave a comment if you were there and if you saw me. And yeah, tell me if you saw me and if we traded that you enjoyed your slime that you got. So yeah guys, I definitely think that this was an amazing experience. I have a huge announcement soon, and I'm so excited. So yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed this Slime Bash vlog, and don't forget there's another Slime Bash in October, and the tickets will be for sale on May 17th, so this Thursday. And yeah guys, thank you guys for watching. Bye!